Hey, Cannon, just wanted to kind of walk you through the steps because I thought it was easier to show you rather than to try and explain it in an email. So if you're in your Wii video and you're trying to finish it, you're going to come up here to this finish button. I would say the easiest way to get your Wii videos into your Google Drive is right down here in these options. So you can choose, if you want standard definition or high definition or whatever. But what you want to do is make sure that you click on that little Google Drive icon, so the blue circle is around it, right? So what that means is that when you click this export button, it's going to automatically upload it into your Google Drive. And then when you go to your Google Drive, just like your regular Google Drive that has all of your stuff stored in it, it'll create a folder for you called Wii Video. And within that folder should be any files that you finish. So I obviously didn't finish this one, but if I did, it would pop right into there. And you could then upload it. So then if you're on your Google site and you're trying to upload, you come over here to this insert from Drive, and you can search through. You can find the Wii Video folder, or like for me, I've got a bunch of videos. Let's see if I can find one just to show you what it looks like. In here, if I wanted to upload a video, I just select it like that. I click insert and then it'll automatically insert it. I can resize it on my site. I can move it to the side. I can do whatever I want with it. Okay. So let me know if you need any help with any of those steps. But like I said, I thought it'd just be easier to show you than explain it.